So now we want to draw this substitute income effect, sum effect, or the Slutsky's equation. So you can see there's two good x and y and the two budget line here, and original bundle is here. After the change in the price is optimum bundle here, but we want to see the substitution effect and income effect. And turn out this is to draw this is not that easy because you need a curve that tangent to these two curves, so we need some trial and error. It's not that easy to draw, so it will spend like 10-15 maybe minutes for that, but you will see how I do trial and error. I guess this is important. I mean, once you know the dimension, easy to draw, but sometimes it's not. You need to fine tune it, adjust it until it is good. So to start, let's quickly finish the access first, and 00 to 70, and with note on the right hand side, and there will be $sign X here, and then we want it to be arrow with a fake arrow, and this will be the above and the right. Okay, from Y, and the next thing we need to do is to draw the budget line. Draw 03 to 0. Okay, and the other one will be drawing 03 to 60. So this the price is dropped by 1/3. Okay, before 2, now it's 6. Okay, now we need to have a curve. Draw a curve first. I think the curve is more important than the other budget line, imaginary budget line here. Okay, so we'll draw the plot smooth, and then we have coordinates, and then what coordinate we have here. Maybe we have 0.5, 3.5, say. And then we'll cut through like 1.8, say. 1.8, and then we have something like 1.8, say. 2 and 0.8, say. And then we have something like 4.3, like, I don't know, just trying. Okay, now let's compile and see if that is okay, to have a good curve. If the curve is good, we can draw the budget line. seems okay. Let's draw the budget line that cut through this point. We draw a budget line, draw. The MRS is 3, and so we need to draw the slope of here. Say maybe starting from 0 and maybe somewhere like, no idea, maybe 3.6, and then say 0, 1.2, I guess. Let's see if it's going to fit the now I want to draw. Oh, forgot the semicolon here. Let's see if this one would fit the 9 we want. If it fit, then it's done. If not fit, then we need to a lot of adjustment is done, need to be done here and there to make sure it fits well. But so we need to go up a little bit. Okay, 3.6 is not enough. Guess we need to at least go to like something like 3.9, and then there will be 1.3 here. Okay, see if this fit. This will take some time because the adjustment is needed. Okay, you need to go up a little bit more, but in the meantime we will be also drawing the other line. We just need 3 points. Look at here, suppose we want to cut at something like 4.1. Okay, 4.1, and according to this is like 5.8. Okay, and look at here, we have something like 3.3, I don't know. Let's see. And here we want to go up a little bit more, maybe maybe somewhat like 4, I guess. And if you have 4, you divide it by, you need to divide it by 3. It's 1.333. So let's see if this can help a bit. Okay, that's not enough, so we need to go a little bit further for the y-axis. So maybe something like 4.2 divided by 3, 1.4, and here we'll see this is a little bit not very good, so we make it to 6. Okay. And this is a little bit too high, maybe something like this would be good, maybe 2.5. So let's see if we can have a nicer graph, but moving a little bit adjustment. Okay, almost. So we need a very small adjustment. Okay, maybe 4.3. Okay, let's see, 4.3 will work. 4.3 divided by 3 is 1.43. Okay, and since this 4.1 is fine, then let's do the field draw also at 4.1 and circle and 0.008. Okay, and see if this is okay. So easier to draw the curve and fit the straight line than the other way around. So we fix this. Otherwise the curve is not easy to fit, but just adjust a little bit this one. So it's almost. Maybe we adjust a little bit this one, the end. 0.3, maybe we make it a little bit lower, maybe 0.28. See if it fit. Okay, seems better with a little bit lower. 0.26. Okay, we also can fill this one in, maybe 1.8, 1.8. So 1.8, 1.8. Okay, and let's see if this the graph looks okay. Let's continue to fit. Take some time. This is as normal when you plot this kind of graph, but luckily usually you don't plot it often. So now you can see it look pretty nice, but we can be a little bit more demanding for this one. Let's see if this is looking increasingly better. Seems okay, but it seems like there's some problem with the plot here. Oh, I guess the ratio is still it's 1 to 2. So I think I make it wrong for this this line. So I need to adjust a little bit because this is the slope is like 2. So I need to adjust a little bit about this line. So it should be something like this style is a 1 to 2. You can see I just draw wrongly. Is 1 to 2, so a little bit adjust, and I also make it to be dash line because it's imaginary line, so a little bit. So I need to move it a little bit up or down. Okay, I move it a little bit up on this way. Okay, so I go up. Now try to make it like 3.2, 1.6. And see if it is. Useful. Yeah, it's looking good. So 3.4, 1.7, just a little bit more, and we should be able to You can get it done very soon. Okay, we just maybe a little bit more, just slightly more, then we should be done. Okay, so you can see during this graph takes some time, but okay, so probably we go a little bit upward. Okay, maybe 5, maybe 7, 5, just a slightly more. Yeah, I think it's a good one. So now we just need to make sure this is right. We have 2 here. Okay, and here was 0.8, I guess, but we're just accordingly. There's another circle there. Oh, it's not 10.8, it's 0.8, so it's 0.8. So a very nice dot, free dot over here. So the remaining is to just have the substitution effect and income effect. So we just draw this 0.8, okay, and say negative 0.3, okay, because we draw it below here, and we are drawing to 2, negative 0.3, okay, and with a note, it's in the middle of that, midway, and below, and we have what we call the substitution effect. It should be sub, and you have an arrow here. Okay, so let's see if substitution effect. Okay, then we have lastly the income effect, right? It will be from 2 to 4, right? And this got income. Okay, and if you want, we can be a little bit more creative. Okay, we can be 1.5, okay, from 0.8. Okay, we have a total. Illustrate this a little bit more than what we're drawing, but sometimes your draft is just draft, right? When you plot, then you will see, oh, I want to be a better one. They'll just change accordingly. We don't have to fully follow the curve, the draft, but okay, a little bit more, maybe -1 and -1, and because I have this, I just add something like this one to make sure that the ends are marked with the appropriate decoration besides the arrow head tip. So it seems okay. Total is 0.1. So what remains is to remove this graph paper and check the final outcome. If everything is alright, then we are done. So this is how this lucky equation, right? Just keep the utility constant, look at the new price ratio, and just how the income effect shift. Okay, that's how this being drawn. You can see spend 20 minutes, a little bit more than I was expecting, but you can see how things get adjusted. Okay, thank you.